know how it feel. Jumping out with a chop like it was the Navy SEAL. Waking up early morning like it's time to go kill. Jumping out on the ops, popping niggas like pills. Ain't ducking no smoke when it come to that field. Bitch, 32, this shit get real. They was calling my phone trying to make me sign a deal. They telling me rap, but I'm still gon' drill. Got too much pride, nigga play, get killed. Bitch like a dog, shit calling me still. I ain't going fuck 12, I'm a dog with the wheel. This shit ain't luck, boy, you gotta be skilled. When nigga on the floor, stretched out on the ground. He thinking that he gang whole time as a clown. Switch on my Glock with 30 plus and round. He tried to keep up, he couldn't float his ass drown. Do what I'm doing, these niggas wanna beat me. Can't do what I'm doing, shit ain't easy. Make you famous on the news, your face on TV. Know that. Jake took the part, take off, start running. Give a fuck what I do, I ain't throwing my gun. Early bird with the worm, okay, that's a crack of time. When shots go off, be a bitch, you gon' run. Gonna Drake with a smile, too much fun. Smile turn to a frown, Drake got bumped. I lost my gun.